Cancellation rates are on the rise. And what I mean by that, everyone, is buyers are backing out of their contracts at a rate of about 30% across the country. That does not mean that it's super high in our area, but I want to kind of give everybody an idea that sellers, this is something you need to be aware of. And what can we do for your buyers to help them stay in the deal? There are some key points that I'm going to talk about, and key point number one is buyer's remorse. Some buyers jump into the market thinking they've got to get in before, housing inventory starts to diminish again, because we are seeing a big increase in inventory right now in our area, in the Twin Cities market. And so I'm seeing a lot of buyers jumping in maybe a little faster than they should. I think once interest rates start to drop even a little bit more, we're going to see more buyers entering the market. And I think that's in the back of people's minds, that they've got to get in now so that they're not in all of these multiple offer situations where they've got to offer more and not do their inspections in order to get a deal. But that's key point number one, is the buyer's remorse. I'm going to say key point number two, and this is actually the number one reason, is the inspection. We're finding inspection issues, and I always recommend every buyer get an inspection done on that house, no matter how much you love it. If you think you're going to lose it because you have an inspection, I'm telling you, it's better to get an inspection and cancel that deal when you find issues now, because if you find issues later, it's going to be way harder on you. There's always another house out there. And key point number three are drawn out negotiations. I have sellers, they get an offer, and it's an offer they're willing to accept, but they get it fast. And they think, well, should I sit on this offer for a little bit and maybe we'll get another offer? And I always ask them, are you willing to accept the terms of this first offer? It sounds like you were, based on our conversation. And if we wait and put these buyers on hold, I've had it where these buyers on the other side of the contract, they found a different house and they pulled their offer while you waited hoping to get a better offer. But under those circumstances, this first offer was one that you were willing to take with those terms. So if you wait and draw out these negotiations and say, I got to think about this for a couple days, that's a bad deal. We need to get this done. It's my job to help you through those negotiations and get those negotiations done quickly and everybody's signature on the contract. It's much easier to do it fast rather than slow, and you're going to be happy with it in the end. So that's my quick video for today. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great day.